everyone, we are Taiko Project, and we are a Japanese taiko drumming ensemble based in Los Angeles. Our presentation is an exciting blend of taiko songs interspersed with educational talks in between. We'll talk about the history and development of taiko in Japan and the United States. We'll talk about instrumentation, use of voice, and end with a super fun student and teacher participation section.
Now, these drums have been used in Japan for hundreds of years, but it wasn't until the 1960s when kumidaiko started to evolve. This was the modern idea to take the drums and present them in a staged concert program. And now we are, along with you as the audience, part of that rich history of taiko. Curriculum connections include history, geography, math, language, and Asian American identity. Through our program, we want to encourage kids to explore all kinds of percussion and rhythm, which are universal across cultures and are part of our human experience.